Number 5. Vacmaster Pro. If you're in the market for the best filtration ash vacuum, the Vacmaster Pro 8-gallon wet-dry vac is a top contender. This model is equipped with a HEPA-certified filter that boasts 99.7% efficiency in clearing out particles as small as 0.3 microns, making it a standout choice in filtration performance. One of the standout features of this ash vacuum is its two-stage industrial motor, ensuring long-lasting, consistent performance. The caster wheels lock for stability during cleaning, and the rubber rear wheels make it easy to transport to a dumping spot. Additionally, the onboard storage for power cord and attachments is a convenient touch. The separate wet filter and tear-resistant dust collection bag make for easy cleanup, while the industrial design ensures durability. While the size may be a concern for those with limited storage space, the benefits of the Vacmaster Pro 8-gallon wet-dry vac far outweigh any potential downsides. What I love the most about this ash vacuum is its superior filtration capabilities. You can rest assured that even the smallest particles will be effectively cleared out, leaving your space clean and debris-free. If you're in need of a reliable and efficient ash vacuum, the Vacmaster Pro 8-gallon wet-dry vac is definitely worth considering. Get your hands on this powerful tool for ash cleanup and experience the benefits for yourself.